Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title of this video, if you want to see how I cleared up my acne and went from this to this in just 1 month, then make sure to just keep watching. Okay, so first I'm going to go ahead and take off my lashes. Y'all already know that is the best feeling in the world, to just end your day, come home, and take them lashes off. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and take a damp washcloth. It's like lukewarm. I'm going to go ahead and rub that all on my face. I'm going to go ahead and start taking off any makeup that I have. I only have a little bit of makeup on, so I'm going to take that off just using the damp washcloth with water. Now I'm going to use my Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser. I'm going to go ahead and lather this up all over my face and scrub in any areas that I know that there are any makeup left in crevices. Go ahead and wipe my eyebrows off and just really scrub all over my face. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and start wiping off my face. I am using the same cloth, but I did rinse it out from the original time that I used the cloth. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe off all of that excess soap off of my face. I did rinse out my washcloth after doing this as well and applying it once again with just some damp water to make sure that I got rid of all of the excess soap that was on my face. Now I'm taking a cotton ball and also my Thayers witch hazel, and I'm going to be using this witch hazel to help tone my face. I found that this has been the best toner for my skin. It has really helped take out any extra oils that was unnecessary on my face and just to tone up my face overall. Okay, so next I'm going to be taking this Differen Gel. This is an acne medication, and I will say that this is probably one of the top reasons why my acne went away. It is over the counter. I got it from Walgreens. It definitely helps dry up any acne marks that you have on your face. It is a little bit strong, so when I originally started using it, it was so strong that it was drying up the rest of my face and my face started flaking, so I had to make sure to space out using it, but it did wonders and dried up my acne. Now I'm going to be using my Bahi Cosmetics Sunflower Sweet Serum. This is an all-natural oil. I absolutely love it. It keeps my face moisturized, it keeps my face glowing, and it also prevents from any acne coming back as well. So the Differen and the Bahi Cosmetics Sunflower Sweet Serums put together did wonders for my skin. Like those are the two really main ingredients on how my skin completely cleared in literally less than a month. It just has my skin feeling so great, and I absolutely love both of the products together. And this is actually the final look after I have completed my skincare routine. Hope y'all enjoyed this. I did find out the reason why my skin had broke out, because y'all know I never really had breakouts before, and it was due to me moving to a new environment. Y'all know I'm in New York City now, and the air and the water here isn't the best, and so my skin had to adjust to it. But I do love the result. I'm no longer insecure with my skin, because I started to become very insecure with how my skin was turning out. But I'm just so glad that it is now cleared up, and I found a regimen that works perfectly for me. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.